Good morning Sweden, and welcome to another blazingly sunny day on its way. And look what we have here. Right, so over the next 2 days we are going to be featuring these two AMG Mercedes on our channel, and they're not just any old Mercedes, but we'll get into that later. Today we're going to be concentrating on this V8 bi-turbo C63 AMG, because this is going to be my ride for the day. Okay people, so welcome to my office for the next couple of hours. Well, you know, some people complain about their job, but I'm definitely not going to be one of those people today. And yeah, it's looking good. So welcome back to the channel, and welcome to the Mercedes AMG C63. Now, this isn't any C63, this is probably one of the fastest, if not the very fastest C63 in the whole of Sweden. So we've got over 700 horses to play with in this car today, and I'm going to try and let you listen to how it sounds. It is an absolute joy. This is like European muscle car heaven, believe me. We're in this today. We're on our way to Mantorp, so we've got a couple of hours down the road. I've been driving around in this thing for over an hour now, and the soundtrack is incredible. It picks up so well. Like I said, this is not just a standard AMG, this has been like tuned, and you know, the turbos are not original, and you definitely feel that when you're driving this car. You know, I've done an earlier video on a C63S, and I said that, you know, these cars are trying to kill you. But actually, when you're up to speed, it gives you a lot of confidence. I mean, you're sitting on the ramp, you're doing a good few miles per hour, and you're planted.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.